Five brilliant reasons to apply aloe vera on your face for 7 days. Here's how to do it right. Aloe vera, or so-called the plant of immortality. This super healthy plant is extremely popular, mostly due to its wonderful medicinal properties, and because of this it is used in many beauty products. Aloe vera is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. You can use this super healthy plant, both internally and topically. These are the most common health benefits. Aloe vera has powerful antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera accelerates the healing of burns. Aloe vera helps prevent wrinkles. Aloe vera can reduce acne and lighten blemishes. Aloe vera works as a natural moisturizer. You've probably tried many different cosmetic and beauty products to make your skin soft and glowing. But the bad thing is that these products are too expensive and sometimes they contain harmful chemicals, which can do more harm than good. This means that you shouldn't spend too much money on these expensive beauty products, and use this natural aloe vera alternative instead. This homemade aloe vera recipe is very simple and easy to make. You will notice the first results in just 1 week. Note, this homemade recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Directions: first you need to wash well the aloe vera plant and don't peel it. Soften the plant using a roller or thump gently on it. After that you need to cut the plant in two after it is soft enough. Don't cut it into a very large portion because you may need the other half for the next time. Now you need to use a knife to cut the edges of the plant. By cutting them it is easier to peel the leaf. Then slit open the leaf with your hands. If it doesn't open easily, take a knife to cut through its center. You need to take the juice out of the leaf as much as you can with a spoon and place it into a container. Apply it all over your face with your fingers or use the leaf to rub the juice. Leave the aloe vera juice on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, when the mask dries off, you should start peeling it off and then wash your face with water. Note: make sure you don't use any soaps or chemicals because the using of this remedy will be in vain. Tap dry your face with a clean towel and that's it. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.
She rubs aloe vera on her face. What happens after 15 minutes will surprise you. We can easily say that aloe vera is one of the healthiest plants in the world. This amazing and super healthy plant is well known for its medicinal properties and uses. Many cosmetic manufacturers use this powerful ingredient in most of the beauty products. So if you want to have soft and glowing skin, you don't have to spend too much money on expensive cosmetics and beauty products. You just have to try this simple trick and your skin will be soft, smooth and beautiful. This homemade method is very simple and easy to make. You just need one simple ingredient, aloe vera. All you have to do is follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. 1. Wash thoroughly. First you need to wash the plant with water, don't peel it. Use clean water to wash it because the aloe vera leaves may be dirty. 2. Soften it. Then you need to soften the aloe vera leaf just by thumping gently on it. Note, or you can use a roller for this purpose. 3. Cut it into two. When you are done with softening the aloe vera leaf, you should cut the aloe vera leaf into two. Note, don't cut a very large portion as you can use the other half for the next time. So you should only the right amount that you want to use. 4. Cut the edges. Note, if you want to peel the leaf, you should cut the edges of the aloe vera leaf first using a knife. Just cut the edges from both the sides, making the leaf open and easy to be peeled. 5. Slit it into two. So when you are done with it, you can open the leaf using your hands. But if you can open it and it doesn't not open easily, you can also use a knife to slit through its center. 6. Scrape out the juice. Now you need to get a spoon and take out the juice from the leaf. As we said, you need to take out as much juice as you can so that nothing goes wasted. Then you should collect it in a container. 7. Rub all over your face. How to use it: get some aloe vera gel on your fingers and apply the aloe vera gel all over your face. Note, or you can even use the same leaf to rub the mask throughout the face. Leave the mask to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. 8. Wash your face. When the aloe vera mask is completely dry, you can try to peel it off from your face. Then wash your face with clean water. Note, make sure you don't use soap or any chemical for washing, as it will defeat the purpose of using this remedy. 9. Flawless glowing skin. And at last, you need to use a clean towel to dry your face. You will notice that your skin will be smooth and beautiful after this treatment. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.